she just came out. He's like, how did you do that? Where are you going? We'll go over the edge? Oh, she's chewing it. Yeah, you can't get in with her, and she's big. Yeah, big girl. She's a big girl. Don't you dare step on her back, Bobo. Get out of my way. I'm gonna cage you two together. I don't think so. Oh, don't get off of her. Off. Don't do that, please. Here's one. Buy two. Oh, he's kicking it now. He's moving it. He does get jealous. No. Get off of her. Go get him. Yeah, give it to him. That's right. Good girl. Oh, it is his toy. No one can have it if I can't. Oh, yeah, you give it to him. He deserves it. And that's my toy, too.